Alright, here we are again. Shotgun shock, bagger shock. This is a Road King. And here's a close-up view of how the shock actuates. I'm going to set the shock in different positions along the travel. And I'm going to firm it up and loosen it up to show the versatility of the shock. It can be firmed or loosened up, the suspension in any position. I'll push down on the fender to simulate road conditions. It's not a perfect display, but it shows how the dampening ability and the cushioning ability of the shock. I'll be changing the compression and the rebound at different ride heights. So here's the bike real low. Look at it, still works. Right? Now you can raise it up to any position. Here's a stock position. That's a little loose. I'm going to firm it up. Look at this. Firms up. Now I'm going to push it down to about... Here's a lowered position. It's a little firm. I'm going to loosen it up a little. Look at this. It'll be loosening. I'm going to really slam it. You can see it still has air in it. Look how low it is. Look how low that is. No shock works that low. It's that low and it still works. And then as you're riding it, you flip the two switches, it'll lift you right up. Now I'm going to firm it up. So if you're riding the bike and it's a little loose and you need it to track in a curve, you can firm it up. You can adjust it as you ride it. You can firm it up or loosen it up. You see a railroad track ahead, you can loosen it up. Look at that. Loosen it up like that to absorb all the road. All the bumps in the road. The bumps in the road of life. You'll be protected from them. So you can see the shock is adjustable between 9 3/4 up to about 13.5 inches, and anywhere along the travel, the rebound and the compression can be adjusted at the flick of a wrist. So check it out on the web. Just Google shotgun shock. You'll see different videos and different comments by customers. You can check out Shotgun Shock website. Email us at Shotgun Shock. Thanks for checking it out.